Carrie, don't finish hers.
That's not your one.
This is mine.
That's not your
Carrie,
one.
are you
Let me see your
Carrie?
throat about this though.
No, stop it now. Over here, we have the deep blue sea. The girl when I love water, I think it's not for you. So they're gonna get wet. I'm gonna like bed. We feel a nice cool breeze blowing in our face. That is Father God blessing us and telling us happy day and good morning. We have a nice luscious green grass here. Yes. So I don't know about grass and concrete place, so not even that. So I have some nice stones here. So lovely, and a castle. All of you have never traveled before. You've never seen a castle before. Here's one. First time in your life, right? Beautiful. Here we go, try this castle. Amazing. See a view. You've never seen a view before. Here you go. Have it. Enjoy it. Lovely. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Good night. What's up, it's your girl ChineyK, and welcome to a special vlog. This weekend we are in Portland at a villa called Ayasa Wide, celebrating Tanania's birthday weekend, and I must say it's pretty nice. I have a couple of friends here and it's just a fun, fantastic time. So as you can see, we have Mandam and crew on deck, and we have our matching swimsuits. Matching neon swimsuits, me, Tanaania, and Cassie. And I think we're trying to figure out how the hell to get like on a raft or something. But I don't know why I'm putting me in a situation like that. I cannot swim. I cannot swim, so we're just gonna figure out what's going on here. So what's going on here is we have crew. He reached Fari. She's kayak. Look, he's right. Over there. Reach. That's Monkey Island, right? Okay. And we have Monkey Island over there. Okay. Oh yes, I think you think. Oh, we have T here. Say hi, T. It's your birthday weekend. Hi, it's my birthday. Birthday weekend. We got Tia. All right. Who else we have here? Oh, Ryan here. Working, not lurking. Working. Okay. Manager. Cassie. And it's just a bunch going on. We got people in the water, where they are in the water. We have Danny's over there working. Stefan is over there. Say hi. Say Stefan, say hi. Hey. Coming in with the smooth hey.
And yeah, so we're just trying to figure out what the hell's going on. Matching neon, neon, neon,
Neon party.
neon, and then yeah. This is what the view from the villa looks like. It's so gorgeous. Like, why wouldn't you not want to live in Jamaica? Like, seriously, get your life together.
All of the size smalls on the left and size smalls on the right.
We're on our way to Monkey Island right now.
Monkey
Island.
Island.
Monkey Island?
Okay. Monkey
Yeah,
Island.
it's true. I cannot swim and I want to have kids and I want to do the things them. I'm the only one with my life vest. And I don't mind. I'm not mad at that.
It matches your swimsuit.
It does! Ish. Ooh, pretty.
See, come, we're picking you up. We're going around and come back. So we just had a nice little boat ride to Monkey Island because I guess over there provided us with a nice little gentleman here. His name is Chris. Give it up for Chris. Give it up for Chris.
Okay, and what else?
So you know we're getting a little, what is this, an afternoon boat ride. You understand? For other girls, when they come from the boat before, this is a chance. If you're only used to dirt road and car. This is nice. You understand? You get a little scenery, a little view here in front of them. Fix it to them, yes. Wonderful. You understand now? All my friends are here to say hello. Hello. Hi. How you doing? Hi. How you doing? Hi. Because my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, my auntie, cousin, sister, everybody, grand aunt. But yeah, this is nice, guys.
No man, I need to work some money. Sell some more Jolifairehair so I can buy a piece of land right here. Watch them, watch them.
What are you doing?
Here are the guys coming in with the birthday bitch song. Woo! Yes. Bring on.
Alright, well, we'll start it up. Yeah? Alright, start two. No. 1, 2, 3, and. Stop. 1, 2, 3, and.
No.
You are too much. You are too much.
You think that J-Lo this?
They could do it normal.
Alright, keep the next one. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and. 1, 2, 3, and. 1, 2, I don't know. Yeah, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, then. Ready? Hey.
Ready?
Wait, they record? Why you have to take home my...
Yeah, record. All right.
Ready? Come on, ready? Right hand.
Right hand, T. Come.
Flash map.
the dining area. Dinner is about to start.
Dinner is about to start
Champagne.
with the queen. Woo! Queen, nice spot. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for dinner. Tanaania's dinner for her 29th birthday. Ooh, nice. Coming to the stage, boss, yeah.
Yeah, my heart say yeah, my do on the palm of my hand, yeah, my want on a bank.
Top of the morning, guys, and another day on the
Cardio, no.
Daily Vlog.
They don't do cardio.
Today is sports day. Tanaania will pick a team and so will Dan. And we have Cassie back here warming up. Yes.
No weakness. Strength.
Turn on.
Yes. So today.
I'm just going out there to just do my thing, you know.
Today should be a fun day. So stay tuned.
That's me.
And then we'll see who wins.
Yeah. Hey, Shelly.
So,
Hey.
wait there. Wait there.
And the first person he is choosing.
Bad Cassie, come down.
And we have more Cassie coming. Tanaania, who you have?
Andre, come.
All right, coming down the stairs. Everybody
All right. Come choose better. Come on.
all right, that's coming down. Come on in, coming down the stairs.
Come down, ChineyK. Come down, ChineyK. Big man, ChineyK. Come down, ChineyK.
I'll take what's left.
And now, let's take what's left.
One, two, 3, go!
Yes! 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 Woo!
And it's ChineyK, yes. They're doing the swap. Okay, it's Dan. Wow. It's like a thoroughbred.
Come, Christian, hold it. Come, Christian. Yeah, man.
Wow, and it's Kimani, and it's Team Dan. It's Team Dan. Yes, it's Team Dan. 1 point for Team Dan. 1 point for Team Dan, none for Team Tanaania. No practicing before the race. One more warning and you'll be disqualified.
Let me see which side is stronger. Who go to hold your man? Who work a see? I could see.
1, 2, 3. On your mark. Get set. Go. All right, it's Team Dan. Exchange the ties. Let's go. Yeah, one more. Okay, let's go. Okay, and it's Dan. It's Team Dan.
And 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8.
What was the cheat? What was the cheat?
Nobody's supposed to touch. They touch us.
I ain't touch nobody.
Yes,
No, we didn't touch you.
yes, they pushed on us when it started.
What's the video?
All right. Okay. We'll do an instant replay. Wow, and it's Team Dan. Wow. All right. Yes, the tropical rhythms are going down. Yes, wow. Okay. Wow, it's Team Dan in the lead so far. Wow. Okay. All right, the baton has been passed, and it's Cassandra coming down. Wow. Oh, yes. All right, it's Team Dan still in the lead. Okay. Team Tanaania seems to be catching up. Okay. Okay. Wow. Team Dan took a little break. Okay. And here comes the team leader herself, Tanaania. Could she be getting her 1 point? Oh, wow. This is exciting. All right, and Team oh, wow. It looks like Team Danar is catching up. Yes. All right. And here comes the team leader himself and ChineyK. Wow, and we know Danar can drink. All right.
She started before she started.
From there for Tanaania, we need to see the replay.
See, Dan box for her eye. You see, open your eye.
Yeah.
See there?
Me not like you.
She said,
See it. Then it has Carrie do it first.
no, she never call my name. She never call my name.
She said Carrie do it first.
See there, yes, that.
Well, you see that? No.
See we here.
Dan.
Carrie can't do it first because then I reach first.
Wait, show them.
Watch
Wait,
this.
show them.
Watch the replay.
Look.
Hold on.
Wait.
Watch now.
Look now, wait.
Wait, watch what I'm drinking.
Carrie don't finish first. Are
That's
you
not your
Carrie?
one.
This is mine.
That's not your
Carrie,
one.
are you
Let me
named
see your
Carrie?
throat about this though.
No, stop it now.
A few moments later.
We can't swim. Give them the oar. I cannot. Hello.
From the bar.
I'm not paddling.
Listen, she's not paddle from the bar. She's not cannot
I
paddle from
am
the bar.
riding. I'm not paddling.
She's a rider.
I'm not switching.
You are?
I cannot swim.
She cannot cross it.
All right. This is a do or die match, guys. Anyone that wins this.
Yo, they might try to push her up, but they like it. Leave one of them.
Team Dan is overweight. It doesn't matter if they push up.
Guys, there's something hot.
You want to push her.
On your marks.
On your mark. Get set. Go. We're going around. Yes. Carry. The other way. Back this way, Team Tanaania. You can still redeem yourself. And here comes Team Dan. Wow. They're off by a long shot. All right, now it's time for the other two team members to jump in. Let's go. Team Tanaania is coming. They're still coming. They have some technical difficulties out there.
Them are coming up here. Hello.
The race is still close. I see Team Tanaania coming.
Time, yeah?
Go.
Okay. Alright. Let's see if you stop doing what you're doing. That will be fun.
Let's stop.
Let's go, move.
Next team, please stop.
Stop right there.
Team Dan, please. No fighting out in the ocean. All right. Team Dan is still in the lead. And I think they've lapped Team Tanaania. All right.
Who win? That cruise are going like Paris.
Team Dan has won this round. Looking at the scoreboard, we're looking at Team Dan 3, Team Tanaania 1.